Dear 7th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 2. Now we are going to solve exercise 2.1 from a new chapter, measurements. Here we discuss about the measurements of circle. Let us get into the session.
Look at this chapter 2, measurements. Measurements is very important in our daily life, right? Now we discuss about the measurements of the circle. First, what is circle? Circle is a round plane figure whose boundary consists of points equidistant from the fixed point. Circle is a round plane figure whose boundaries consist of these are here points equidistant from the fixed point. This is the center. Equidistance, from here we measure the length of the points, means that is equal, so that is equidistant. Circle is a round plane figure whose boundary consists of point equidistant from the fixed point. Next one, distance around the circular region is called the circumference or perimeter of a circle. Distance around the circular region is called the circumference. This is the circumference or perimeter of the circle. Next one, radius. Listen, from the center point and any point on the circumference, that is radius. The distance between the center point and any point on the circumference is radius. Listen, and then diameter. A line pass through the center point in the circle is called diameter. This is the diameter. Diameter is equal to 2 into r. Listen, this is one radius and this is one radius. So twice, 2 times radius is called a diameter. So radius equal to, if the given diameter means as the radius, means what is the formula? Radius equal to diameter by 2. And then circumference of a circle, the given the formula 2 pi r units. Pi, the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. So circumference of a circle equal to 2 pi r units. Circumference of a circle 2 pi r units. And then area of a circle equal to pi r square units. Area of a circle equal to pi r square units. Now let us get into the exercise sums. First sum, find the missing values in the following table for the circles with the radius r, diameter d and circumference c. Listen, first one, r equal to 15 centimeter and we have to find out diameter and circumference. Listen, first thing, write the given. Given r equal to 15 centimeter. Now diameter equal to 2 into r. So 2 into, what is the value of r? 15. So 2 15s are 30 centimeter. That is d value, diameter. Next one, circumference. C equal to 2 pi r. 2 into, the value of pi is 22 by 7 into 15. Now multiply the number 44. 2 into 4, 22, 44 into 15. 44 into 15. Write down rough. 44 into 15. 5 4s are 20. 22, 44 ones are 44. So 660. 660 divided by 7. 660 divided by 7 means we get a divide this number. How many times? 9. 63 balance 3, 30. Again 4 times 28, 20. So 2 times 14, 20 minus 14, 6. So 8 times 56. After the decimal point, 2 digit is enough. So what's the answer? 94.28 centimeter. That is D value. Sorry, C value. Circumference. Next one. C equal to 1760 centimeter, and we want to find out R and diameter. Listen. Given C equal to 1760 centimeter. What is C? That is 2 pi r equal to 1760. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 1760. Now we don't know r, so keep this side and bring the numbers to that side. So what is the number? Here 2 is in multiplication. Bring this side means division, and 22 also in multiplication, so division. Here 7 is in division, so bring this side means multiplication. Now cancel these numbers. 8 2s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 8 2s are 16. Again here 1 is balance, it becomes 16 again, so 8 times, put the 0, so 880. Now again divided by 2 means we get here 11, here 440. Again cancelled by 11th table. 1 11 is 11, 4 11s are 44. Bring put the 0 means 40. So what's the remaining value? 40 into 7, that is 280 centimeter. That is radius. Now diameter. D equal to 2r. So 2 into 280, that is equal to 560 centimeter. This is diameter. Next one, they given diameter. D equal to 24 meter. We have to find out radius. So radius equal to D by 2, that is equal to 24 by 2. So R equal to 24 by 2, 12 meter, that is radius. Now circumference 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 12. 44 into 12, we get 528. by 7. Now division 528 divided by 7. 7 sevens are 49, balance 3. Bring down 8, it becomes 38. 5 times 35, balance 3. Keep the point and put 0 here. 4 times, that is 28. Balance 2. Put the 0 means we get 20. 2 times, that is 14. Balance 6. After the decimal point, 2 digit is enough. So what's the value? 75.42 meter. See the units and you have to put here. That is very important. Okay. Second sum. Diameters of different circles are given below. Find their circumference. Take the value of pi equal to 22 by 7. Listen, they given the diameters of the circle. D equal to 70. We want to find out what is that? Circumference. Circumference we want to find out means first you have to find out radius. So radius equal to D by 2. That is equal to 70 by 2. Radius equal to how much? 70 divided by 2, that is 35. They given centimeter, so put the centimeter. Radius equal to centimeter. Now circumference. C equal to 2 pi r. Now C equal to 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into 35. Now cancel these numbers. 7 1 is 7, 7 5s are 35. So remaining number 2 into 22 44 into 5. 4 5s are 20, balance 2. 4 5s are 20 plus 2 22. So 220 centimeter, that is circumference. Next one, D equal to 56 meter. D equal to 56 meter. So R equal to D by 2, that is 56 by 2. 56 by 2 means 2 1 is 2. Here 2 2s are 4, balance 1, it becomes 16, 8. So 28. 28 meter, that is radius. Now circumference. Write down the formula in every sum, then only you can remember that. 2 pi r. So equal to 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 28. Now cancel this number. We can cancel this number. 1 7 is 7. 4 7s are 28. So 44 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Balance 1. Again 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. So 176 meter. That is circumference. Next one, D equal to 28 meter. R equal to D by 2. So 28 by 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 1 is 2 here and 4 2s are 8. So R equal to 14 meter. Now circumference. C equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into R is 14. Now cancel the number by 7th table. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. So 44, 2 into 22, 44 into 2. That is 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. So 88 meter. That is circumference. That is the answer. Third sum, find the circumference of the circle whose radii, radii means the plural form of radius, are given below. Now they given radius. So write down first what they given. Radius equal to 49 centimeter. Now we want to find out which one. Find circumference. Circumference C equal to, what's the formula? 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 49. Now cancel these numbers by 7th table. 7 1 is 7. 7 7s are 49. What's the remaining number? 2 into 22, 44 into 7. 4 7s are 28. Balance 2. Again 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30. So 308 centimeter. That is the circumference. Next one, 91 millimeter. So given r equal to 91 millimeter. Now circumference equal to 2 pi r. Now 2 into 22 by 7. Value of pi is 22 by 7. R is 91. Now cancel these numbers by 7th table. 7 1 is 7. Here 7 1 is 7. Balance 2. It becomes 21. So 3 times. 3 7s are 21. 2 into 22, 44 into 13. Multiply the number. 44 into 13. 4 3s are 12. Carry over 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. 4 44s of 1 44s of 44. 7 5. So 572 millimeter. They given in millimeter. So write down. Circumference equal to 572 millimeter. That is the answer. Fourth sum. The diameter of a circular well is 4.2 meter. What is its circumference? Listen. We want circumference means first we have to find out which one? Radius. So given diameter of a circular well. Diameter of circular well equal to 4.2 meter. Therefore, its radius is 4.2 by 2. D by 2, no? So 4.2 by 2. Cancel this number. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4 point. Here 1 2 is 2. So 2.1 meter. That is radius. Now you have to find out circumference. Circumference of circular well equal to, what's the formula? 2 pi r. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1. Listen here carefully. 22.7 into, I write the number 2.1 like this, 21 by 10. Is it right? Yes. After the decimal point, one digit is there. So, put 10 in the denominator. Now, cancel this number. We get the whole number, no. So, that is only 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21. 22s are 44 into 3 by 10. That is the remaining numbers. Now, 44 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Carry over 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. 132 by 10. Now, what is the answer? Here denominator is 10. Write the number, and here 10 only in denominator, 1 0. So, before one digit we have to keep the point. So, 13.2, what's the unit? Meter. So, that is circumference. That is the answer. Fifth sum, the diameter of the bullock cart wheel is 1.4 meter. Find the diameter covered by it in 150 rotation. 150 rotation. Listen. Diameter of the cart wheel. Given diameter of the wheel equal to 1.4 meter, that is D. Now we want to find out the diameter covered by one rotation first. Diameter covered by one rotation. It is a circumference, right? Circumference of the wheel. What is circumference? 2. When diameter is given, circumference is pi d. Listen, 2 pi r. So that is 2r into pi, right? 2r means d. So pi into d. That is the formula. So pi d. Pi is 22 by 7 into 1.4. I write like this, 14 by 10. Now cancel this number. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. What's the remaining number? 44 by 10, that is equal to 4.4 meter. That is one rotation. Circumference. Now, diameter covered by 150 rotation. 150 rotation means 4.4 into 150. So 4.4 into 150. 4.4 into 15, that is 0 means here also 0. 6,600 here one point before, they keep the point. So 660.0, we can write like this, 660 meter. That is the answer. Sixth sum, a ground is in the form of a circle whose diameter is 350 meter. An athlete make 4 revolution. Revolution, rotation, circumference are same in this measurements of circle. So find the distance covered by the athlete. Listen. They given the diameter of the ground. Diameter of the ground equal to 350 meter. So athlete makes 4 revolution. Distance covered in 1 revolution. Revolution means rotation or circumference. So circumference. Here they given diameter. So what is the formula? Circumference pi d. So 22 by 7 into 350. Now cancel this number. 1 7 is 7. 5 7s are 35. Put the 0 means 50. So remaining number is 22 into 50. We get 1100 meter. That is 1 revolution. Athletes make how many revolution? 4. So 4 revolution equal to 4 into 1100. That is equal to 4400 meter. That is what? Distance covered by the athlete. That is the answer. Seventh sum, a wire of length 1320 centimeter is made into circular frames of radius 7 centimeter each. How many frames can be made? Listen, a wire of length given length of the wire equal to 1320 centimeter and the circular frame radius of circular frame, that is equal to 7 centimeter. Listen, a length of wire, we have to make a round shape frame. So that is circumference of the frame, right? So we have to find out circumference. Circumference of one frame equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into what is radius? 7. So cancel. 7 7 cancelled. So we get 44 centimeter. That is circumference of a one frame. Now the total length is 1320 centimeter. So how many frames can be made? That is the question. So number of frames can be made means 1320 divided by what number? 44. That is the circumference. So cancel this number. 11th by 11th table, 4 11s are 44, 1 11 is 11, balance 2, it becomes 22. So 2 times, put the 0 means 120. 120 divided by 4, cancel by 4th table, 4 1 is 4, 4 3s are 12, put the 0 means 30. So 30 frames can be made in this length of 1320 centimeter. That is the answer. 8th sum. A rose garden is in the form of circle of radius 63 meter. The gardener wants to fence it at the rate of rupees 150 per meter. Find the cost of fencing. Listen. Gardener wants to fence the garden means he wants to know the circumference, that is perimeter of the garden, right? So first he wants to find out circumference of the circular garden. Given radius of circular garden equal to 63 meter. Now circumference of garden equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 63. Now cancel this number by 7th table. 7 1 is 7, 7 9s are 63. So 44 into 9, that is equal to how much? 44 into 9. 4 9s are 36, carry over 3, 4 9s are 36 plus 3 39. So 396 meter, that is circumference, that is the circumference perimeter of the garden, circular garden. Now fencing at the rate of rupees 150. So we want to find the cost of fencing at rupees 150 equal to per meter 150 rupees. How many meter? That is 396 meter. So 396 into 150. So 396 into 15. 6 5s are 30, carry over 3. 9 5s are 45 plus 3 48, carry over 4. 3 5s are 15 plus 4 19. 396 means 396. 5940, here 150, no, so here 0 means put here 0. So rupees 59,400, that is the answer. Here Exercise 2.1 is over. So children practice well with the concept of circle. I will again see in next exercise. Thank you.